Hi, my name is Karen. Welcome to Petite Crown. We're going to use our organic Birdseye cotton bamboo flat to demonstrate to you the airplane fold. First, what we do is lay our flat out like this and bring in the bottom corners, which will be for the front of your diaper, and bring them into the middle like this. Then here is where you can customize the fit for your baby. You can bring it up just a little bit if you have a larger baby or a toddler, or you can bring it up higher if you've got a smaller baby. I'm going to leave mine right here. Then, much like when you fold a paper airplane, you're going to bring in these corners here, like this, so that this part lines up straight, just like on a piece of paper. Then you will bring in the other side and line that up as well. So now your diaper looks like this. Then what you can do is, if you need the diaper to be a little bit smaller for your baby, you can kind of roll in this bottom part to bring this in together. And then you'll have wings or corners out like this, which will go around your baby's hips. Or if you have a larger child, you can leave it out like this. It's up to you. For our baby model today, I'm going to fold it in like this. So you would bring your baby and lay your baby just about here. You want the back of the diaper to line up with the belly button. And then you would bring this over the top of baby. It looks like for this baby, I would need to fold this top part in to make sure it's not too long. Then, once you have this folded over, you can fold over the wings here, like this, and then secure it to your baby using a fastener like a Snappi. Put it in one side like this, and then to the other side, and then down into the front, and then roll in the corners like this. And that's the airplane fold.